Hi, I am Catherine Emily Malima from Section 1D, and for this reflection, I'm going to talk about how probability distribution help in predicting outcomes and performance in IT system, especially in areas like network reliability, system errors, and user login behavior. In our previous activity, we worked with binomial and Poisson distribution. So these are not just mathematical formulas; they are actually used in real IT environments to take to make decisions and to plan system performance. So let me start with the binomial distribution. The distribution applies when we have repeated trials and each trial has only two possible outcomes, maybe successful ba siya or failure. So in IT, this is very common. For example, if we are testing a software feature, each test run either works or dili siya mag-work. So the binomial distribution helps us estimate the probability of getting a number of success within a number of trials. For instance, if we run a software test walong beses and the probability of success in each run is 0.4. So we can calculate the probability of getting exactly 3 successful run. This is useful when we want to measure reliability. If the probability of failure is too high, then the developers know that improvements are needed before developing the system. Now, so let's move on to the Poisson distribution, which deals with the probability of rare events happening within a fixed time period. In IT, this is very important when analyzing system errors or network failures. Like for example, if a data center experiences an average of 3 network errors per hour, the Poisson distribution allows us to estimate the chance that exactly 2 errors will occur next hour. So we don't have to observe the system constantly. We can model the behavior mathematically. This is extremely helpful for network monitoring and planning. So if we consistently see that actual errors are happening more often than the probability model predicts, then it may signal a deeper problem in a system performance, hardware stability, or network traffic load. Probability distribution also help in estimating user login patterns. In many systems, especially websites and applications, usage is not constant. More users log in during certain hours of the day, like by analyzing the distribution of login attempts over time. So administrators can predict heavy usage periods. So this allows them to allocate more server resources during peak hours to avoid lag, slow response times, or system crashes. So in another real world, for example, is like cybersecurity. Like when monitoring login attempts, repeatedly failed logins may suggest brute force attacks. Like by understanding what a normal distribution of login attempts looks like, IT security teams can detect when activity becomes unusual. Like for instance, if the average number of login attempts per minute is normally low and suddenly it spikes, the system may automatically trigger security protocols, so such as locking an account or requiring additional verification. So to summarize, binomial distribution helps us analyze situation where each event is successful ba siya or failure. Like, for example, software testing results. So, yung Poisson distribution helps us model and predict rare events like system errors, network drops, or suspicious login attempts. Both distribution allows IT professional to make informed decisions, prevent system downtime, improve reliability, and protect data. Understanding this probability distribution give us the ability to not just react to problems but to anticipate them, and that's a very important part of modern IT system management. Thank you.